Good morning. This is Venkat. Today we learn about important topics, concave, convex, numerical problems. Okay. So this is a very important in the CBS and state board also. What are the numerical problems, especially concave and convex mirrors? Yes. Now see here. What is the problem here? So the problem is an object is placed at a distance of 45 centimeters from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Then find the position and nature of the image. So this is the question. So understand question. What is the question here? Object is placed at a distance of 45 centimeter. Means that the object is placed at 45 centimeter. Okay. And concave mirror focal length is 15 centimeter. Then we have to find position. Position means nothing but what about position of the image and what about nature? Nature means the real or virtual. Yes. So first of all we have to write the given data. So what is the given data? So what about given data here? So here distance of object. So you know very well last class I explained the distance of object. You have to represent that is u. So u is equal to how much? 45 centimeter. Okay, yes. Here object distance is a positive or negative. So already last class I explained sign convention. What is sign convention? So once again remember that. Check here. This is a concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror. So in the concave mirror, the pole, focus, center of curvature. Yes. Here I explained last time. Pole left side. What they given pole left side should take negative values, and pole right side should take positive values. So that's why u is, I said already, object always left side of the concave mirror. So that's why object should take negative. So object always is a negative. Yes. What about focal length? So concave focal length always left side of the concave mirror. So always the focal length. What is the focal length? Distance from pole to focus. So means here focal length of concave mirror always is negative. So focal length represented smaller. So smaller is equal to how much? 15 centimeter. Means that is a minus 15 centimeter. Okay. So we return object distance and focal length. Now, so just you have to guess what about this case. So you know where is focal length? Focal length how much here? 15 centimeter. So focal length 15 means what about radius of curvature? So I said already last time, focal length. Okay, so is equal to r by 2. R is equal to 2f. So we want to find what about radius of curvature means. So twice of the focal length means the radius of curvature always equal to twice of the focal length. So focal length already we know. We know the focal length 15 centimeter. Then what about radius of curvature? Twice means 2 into 15. How much? 30 centimeter. What about radius of curvature? 30 centimeter. Yes. Then what about position of the object? So what they given? 45 centimeter. So from the pole, what about 45 centimeter? Means 50, 30, 45. Means what about object position? The object is beyond C. What about object position? Beyond C. So how to find? So by using of focal length. So focal length 15 they given already. Just you have to find radius of curvature by using of this formula. R is equal to 2m. Means radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Then what about object position? Object position already they given 45 centimeter. Means that object is behind the center of curvature. Yes. So this is the which case of concave mirror. And last I explained image formed by a concave mirror. So this is the second case. Second case means object is beyond C. So object beyond C means what about image? Means where the image will be formed. So where image will be formed? Image is formed between C and F. Image formed between C and F, and also the image is real, inverted and diminished and formed between C and F. Means must and should. What about our guessing answer? Our guessing answer is must and should. The position of the image between 15 and 30. 15 and 30, and also that image is negative image. Negative means that image is formed left side of the pole. So that is our guessing answer. Yes, we will try that answer by using the Meredith formula. So what about image distance? So you know very well what about Meredith formula. So Meredith formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So I will explain this one last time. So what is Meredith formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by RG distance plus 1 by image distance. Yes. So now we have to substitute the values in the formula. So 1 by f. F value how much? Minus 15. So here the sign is very important. If you forget any minus or plus, automatically getting answer is wrong. That's why the minus and plus very important. So 1 by minus 15, 1 by u. So 1 by minus 45 plus 1 by v. So you should take 1 by v only. Next here, this 1 by minus 45 is there. You have to send left side of the equal. That's why 1 by 15, 1 by minus 15. So here minus is negative. You have to send to on the side. Then automatically what happen? That is plus 1 by 45 is equal to 1 by b. Yes. Now we have to write like this. So 1 by b equal to 1 by 45 minus 1 by 50. Okay. This one same only. Just have written normal condition. So now 1 by b equal to. So what is the LCM? 45 and 15. You know already LCMs. So what is LCM? 45 and 15. You should take 45 only. So here 1, 45 ones, 45 1 minus 15 threes. 3 into 1 3. It means what you get? 1 minus 3. Yes. Now 1 by b is equal to 1 by b is equal to 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 how much? Minus 2 by 45. Okay. So this is the value. Now you should take, you want v value. What do you want? V value. Now you have to take reciprocal. V is equal to minus 45 by 2. V is equal to minus 45 by 2. Now let's try to do division. So 2 2 are 4 and 2 2 are 4. So 1 is there. This 0.0 is 10. 2 5 are 10. So means V is equal to how much you get? Minus 22.5 centimeters. Units are very important. So means what you get the answer? V is equal to 22.5 centimeters. That is the answer. So what your guessing answer? Must and should our guessing answer is image between 15 and 30. So 22.5 is between 15 and 31. Means our answer is correct. And also what about nature of the image? What about nature of the image? The nature of the image is already explained. Second case. Second case image cats already know very well. The image is real image. What image? Real image, and real is must and should inverted. So the image is inverted like this. And the image is, what about size? The image is diminished. This is a big size, this is small size. This one is diminished. The image is diminished. Then what about position? The image must and should form between C and F. Here the image is formed between C and F. That is the nature. Understand students, what is the position? What is the first problem? So very easy problem this is. So what is the data? What they given the data, first you have to write and take Meredith formula and substitute the values. Must and should sign convention very important. By using of sign convention. 4 left side negative, 4 right side positive, especially distance condition. In the height condition, above the principal is positive, below the principal is negative. So when you substitute the values in the Meredith formula, finally get the answer. This is the position, this is the nature of the image. Understand? Next, second problem we have to try. Okay, you can go for second problem. Yes. Now second problem is see once the problem here. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from concave mirror. So means here given distance of the object given. So which mirror? Concave mirror. And the focal length is 15 cm. Then find what is the position and nature of the image. That is the problem. So first of all try to understand the problem. What is the problem? They given distance of the object and focal length. So which mirror? Concave mirror. So find position and nature of the image. Yes. First you have to write the given data. So what is the given data here? Yes. First here given distance of the object given. So means you know very well what is distance of the object. So u is equal to 10 centimeter. So last problem I explained that object distance always should take negative. So means should take negative. So why it is negative? It is the left side of the pole. Next, what about focal length? Focal length f is equal to how much given here? 15 centimeter. Okay. So on focal length also I explained concave mirror focal length always should take negative only. So means you have to take FL also negative. F is equal to minus 15. U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Then what about nature and position of image? Means first you have to find what about position of image. So V is equal to question mark. Yes, you know very well what is the Maris formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Write that formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So from this formula, so means first you have to substitute these values in the formula. So what is the 1 by F value? So 1 by F minus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by V. Now 1 by minus 15, this minus 10 is there by minus 10 sent to another side. Means what happened? Plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by V. Okay, yes. We have to find that answer before. What is the guessing answer? What is your guessing answer? So first you have to think which case this one. First you have to draw the diagram first. So this is the concave mirror. So focus, center of curvature. So already you know very well focal length. How much focal length? 15. So focal length 15 means what about radius of curvature? Twice is 30. But what about object position? Object position how much? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeters means where is the object? Object is between P and F. Means here the object. Means here 10 centimeters. So object between P and F. So what is the case this one? So this case is last case. What is the last case? Object is between P and F. What about image? So the image is formed behind the mirror. Where is the image formed? Behind the mirror. So that is our guessing answer. Must assured it is a more than object distance. Means maybe greater than 10 centimeters. And also the image is must assured virtual and direct and magnified image. Means our answer is more than 10 centimeters. Must assured it is coming positive value. Why it is positive value? I explained already. If the image is formed left side of the pole, that is negative values. But here where is the image formed? Okay, the image formed right side of the pole. So that's why must assured the image is coming positive. Means that our answer is correct. Okay, let's try it. Okay, we coming to the problem. Yes. Now take the LCM. What about LCM here? 15 and 10. 15 and LCM is 30. So 15 twos means minus 2 plus 10 threes is equal to 1 by V. So 3 minus 2, how much? 1. 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by V. So take reciprocal. So reciprocal V is equal to 30 centimeter. What is the answer? V is equal to 30 centimeter. So means here that is a plus value. So what is the guessing answer? The image distance more than 10 centimeters. Must show more than 10 centimeters, and also it is positive value. So we are getting the answer is positive value. Means our answer is correct. Understand, students? So this type of problem is very very important. Simple, they are asking that how to find image position. Sometimes they will give the focal length and image. Find what about object position, that like also. Okay, then what about image, nature of image. So what about nature of image? You know very well. What about nature? Virtual, erect and magnified. The image formed behind the mirror. Understand, students? So that is second problem. Okay, next we have to discuss about third problem. Yes. Okay, next third one is, once you can see the third one, an object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from convex mirror. Which mirror? Convex mirror. Of focal length 15 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. Okay, understand, students? This is the question. So first you have to write the given data. So what is the given data here? So given data very important. Why this means if any mistake is there in the given data, total problem is wrong. That's why given data very very important. First you have to read one or two times the problem and try to understand what they are asking that, what they given. Okay, whatever is the distance of the image or distance of the object or focal length, everything you have to observe first. Yes. First of all you have the given object distance given. So what is the object distance? U is equal to. So U is equal to how much given? 10 centimeter. Okay, so I said already in the concave or convex mirror, object distance always minus, is negative. Next, they given focal length. Focal length of which mirror? Convex mirror. Focal length of convex mirror. Already last two problems we explained only concave mirrors. This is the convex mirror. So concave mirror focal length always negative. I explained, but here convex mirror focal length always positive. Why it is always positive? Also see here, this is a convex mirror. Okay, this is the pole, focus, center of curvature. This is the whole body. So focus is, this is from pole to focus. That is which side? Is the right side, left side of the pole. So it is always right side. So means these all values are positive. So left side of the pole, all values are minus, negative values. So that's why the focal length of convex mirror always plus. Yes, that's why you have to take here that value is plus. How much they given? 15 centimeter. So you know very well U and F. Then what about position and nature of the image? So position means distance of the image. V is equal to question mark. So what is the mirror's formula? So mirror's formula is, so in concave or convex, so both the same formula, mirror's formula. What is the formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is the mirror's formula. So the values, what they give the values up to the formula. So 1 by 15 means 1 by F. 1 by F means 1 by 15 equal to 1 by U. So what is U value? Minus 10 plus 1 by V. So 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by V. Now this 1 by minus 10 is there, you have to send to another side. 1 by 15. So here minus means that side plus. 1 by 10 equal to 1 by V. Yes. You should take that LCM 15 and 10. So 15 10 LCM is, so what is LCM? You should take 30 is LCM. So 15, how many times? 15 twos plus 10 threes. Okay, 15 twos and 10 threes. 2 plus 3. So how much 2 plus 3? 1 by V is equal to 5 by 30. How much you get? 1 by V is equal to 5 by 30. So now if you take reciprocal. So reciprocal means V by 1. Means V only, V is equal to 30 by 5. 30 by 5. Now we have to do the cancellation. So 5 ones, 5 6. Means V is equal to 6 centimeter. How much? 6 centimeters. This means what about image position? Position of the image is 6 centimeters. So actually, what about this case? In the convex mirror, two conditions are there. One is object infinity, second one is object between infinity and pole. So this is second condition. Which condition? Second condition. You know the object distance is not an infinity. So what is object distance? 10 centimeter. Means object is certain place. 10 centimeter. So second condition. In second condition, what about focal length? 15. And this one 30. So means on second condition, what about image position? Image position always found between P and F. Means here image. Means our answer is must and should from 0 to 15. So 0 to 15. So our answer is 6 only. So it is between the P and F only. Means our answer is correct. And also the image must and should positive. So we are getting answer also positive value. So answer understand? So what do you understand here? So second condition object between infinity and pole. So 10 centimeter must and should the image found between P and F. Means our answer is correct. So position is over. Then what about nature? So nature of the image is, what is second condition nature? So this one nature is virtual. I said already last class, in the convex mirror the image always virtual and direct. But in the concave mirror sometimes real and inverted, sometimes virtual also. But in the convex always virtual and erect image. So the image is virtual and erect. And what about size? The size is diminished. That is a diminished and where it formed between P and F. That is the nature of the image. Understand, students? So this is these three problems are easy way. So easy methods.